Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and your runtime. Place the service account JSON in a safe path and set an environment variable pointing to it. Next, install Firebase Admin and import it into your node entry file. Once done, initialize the SDK with admin. Initialize app credential, admin, credential. Cert service account, project ID, your project ID so the SDK knows which project and identity to use. Make sure to avoid committing keys and to use different accounts for dev versus production. Once the SDK is initialized, you wire up the services you need. For authentication, use admin. Auth, to create users, verify tokens, and mint custom tokens for secure flows. For data, call admin. Firestore, and set proper settings for timestamps and batching to avoid hot writes. For files, configure admin. Storage, with the bucket name and check IAM roles so functions can read/write. Make sure to use batched writes or transactions when updating related documents to preserve consistency. You finish by testing and deploying. Run Firebase emulators to exercise auth, Firestore, and storage flows locally, then deploy to staging. When deploying cloud functions or server code, inject credentials via environment variables or secret managers and rotate keys routinely. If something fails, inspect error messages and log payloads. Permission denied usually means IAM roles or token scopes are wrong, while quota errors require backend retries or rate limiting. Finally, monitor with logs and alerts to catch regressions early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.